everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do this look, and it's for Valentine's. So I hope you guys do enjoy. I used the the Remix palette by BH Cosmetics. And yeah, so I try to make it simple for you guys, because I know it's kind of hard to do all these like expert looking kind of makeup with all these different colors. So yeah, hope you guys do enjoy this tutorial. It is very simple, very affordable, and you can get this easily. Usually sometimes you can get this stuff online, or sometimes you can even find it in TJ Maxx or Marshalls or even DD's if you're lucky. And yeah, and I do hope you guys enjoy the video, and see you guys in the next video.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin. Temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin. Temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.